And then we're also gonna have some skincare products, healthcare products, outdoor sports, everything, and perfect price as well for Q4 that's coming up now real soon. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. We will see you later on. If you do, remember to like and subscribe to the channel because Ecom Boss is so close to 2,000 subscribers, guys. And yeah, we should probably just get straight into this. These are 9 really good products, and I do recommend you guys to get on this product really quick because keep in mind, everyone is watching this video. There's gonna be people that tries to get on these products. So if you want to be one of the first one, I'm not saying you can't do it, you know, with a little saturation, maybe just a little bit, but I would recommend you guys to get on this as quick as possible, right? So this might be a guy who comes to me like in 2 weeks saying like, hey, I just took your advice from this video and sold this product and now it worked, while other people were sleeping on it. So in this video, just keep in mind, you're gonna be the guy who takes action on these good products or not, because I believe all of you guys can do it. So if you want to get into the dropshipping coaching program with me and my partner John, success been great. So I'll put my Instagram right here. You can message me if you want to get in, or if you just want to follow me, that's also cool. So guys, let's get Ecom Boss to 2,000 subscribers and let's take a look at the first product. So the first product is a Halloween anonymous mask. I think this could work the whole year though, but you're probably gonna sell it for Halloween, obviously. So the only thing I do not know about this product, which I have to make clear here, I don't know if anonymous is a copyrighted item, but the one thing you guys could keep in mind here is that LED masks is a really cool thing. Everything that's LED when it comes to Halloween now is really blown up. We've seen the Purge LED mask work really well. So you guys could just take this as an idea to try and sell LED masks for Halloween because they really do well. And this anonymous mask is super cool. So I'll actually probably try to get it because it's only cost like $8 including shipping, maybe $9. So this is something I would look into. I think it might have a chance to take off this Halloween. So that's the first product. Not too much to say about it. I'll probably target interests such as Halloween, Netflix, just a little bit generic stuff, but you could also target gamers, for example, because I've seen a lot of Halloween masks take off on like gaming pages, meme pages, similar things like that. So that's gonna be the first product you could get on. Next product is a product I really do like myself. I actually did test it too. This is an armband for running, and it could also be used, guys, this is one thing you keep in mind, you don't have to advertise this as a running product. It could also just be used for people walking in the streets late at night. They don't have to be in perfect shape and run, but this product is super cool. Is it generic? Yeah, it is kind of generic and it's not really that special, but I've tried to research it a little bit and I've never really seen it blown up before now, which means I still don't think it's too saturated of a product. But this product is super cool. It comes in every different color. You can get it in red, black, yellow, green, maybe not black because then you wouldn't be able to see it when it's dark, but you could get it in yellow, green, blue, a lot of different types of colors. And first of all, the picture is super good, which means, you know, you could basically just use the thumbnail of the video as an ad. But I'll probably recommend you guys to get an epic ad of someone running in the streets. But what I'm saying is the picture is good. Coolest part about this product is you get it for only $1 including shipping. It's like $1.17 or something, which is a super good price. So you guys could be selling this for only $19 and still make a lot of profit since it's so cheap. Everyone will sort of buy. So the interest I would use for this product could probably be like workout. It could be Netflix, but keep in mind, guys, you don't want to use up all your interest targeting only workout. You want to be a little bit broad, a little bit generic, maybe target people with families, because people with families are often, at least, they got their life a little bit together, so maybe they are running too. But like I said, you don't have to advertise this as a running product, but that's probably what I would do though. But this product, I actually think it's super cool. It's pretty unique and it's gonna go viral eventually if it haven't already. So the only question is, are you gonna be the guy who makes it viral? Or you're not. Next product is a fishing jacket and is water resistant. But guys, you don't have to market this as a fishing jacket because this could be a jacket for everything. I mean, the jacket looks kind of sporty though, for me to be honest, but you don't have to market it as a fishing jacket. It is a fishing jacket and it's water resistant. That's what's so cool about it. I've seen a t-shirt blow up and that's water resistant too, and this jacket is on its way to blow up. The orders are increasing every single day, so I'll probably get onto this as soon as possible because this is a product that a lot of people could actually have use for. I really do like the product because it is water resistant. There's so many people spilling water over themselves, people surviving, you know, out in the forest, just, you know, hikers, people in the forest, people that really likes, you know, forest life type of thing, and maybe even fishing, you know. But this product, it doesn't even have to be for, you know, certain sports. There could just be sporty people that just likes to use it on their free time while watching TV, for example. So really cool product. It's not too expensive either. It's probably gonna be like $17-18 including shipping, so you could sell it for $39-45 maybe, around that. And if you brand it well, you can always sell it for even more than that as well. But the interest I would target here, I would definitely target hiking maybe. I don't know too much about hiking because it's not something we really do over here, but I would imagine that you could get water on you when you're hiking. So this is water resistant. Only question is it really water resistant? Like, we're dealing with AliExpress, so we don't know, but you will just have to figure out a good return policy which doesn't screw you over, but hopefully not the customer either. But this is a super good product. I really do like this one. Interest I would use would be, for example, hiking. I would just use general interest too because everyone could have a use for this, even though they're not fishing, they could still have a perfect use for this. So I would go by Netflix once again. I'll go with viral types of interest, targeting maybe people like 30 to 50 years old maybe. But I would go, for example, Netflix. I would go hiking. I would definitely try out fishing, maybe, outdoors, people that likes to be in the forest all day. That's good interest you guys could use for this product. So what I'm seeing is starting to blow up now, so you guys could probably get onto it. I'm not a big fan of selling clothing, but this one is really cool. You can't just think of this like clothing, because it is a water resistant thing. So it's sort of cool, and unique. So this is saturated, guys. Before you guys get mad at me saying it's saturated, well, this is reintroducing an old trend, making an old trend new again. What's so cool about this mini massage gun is that what I just said is mini, which means people used to, buy the big massage gun over and over and over again, but that's kind of saturated now. But now we have a mini version of it as well, which just makes it cool. Because guys, iPhones, we got normal iPhones and we got iPhone Plus, which is better. We got normal iPhones, and then later on iPhone started producing iPhone Plus as well, which is a bigger version of iPhone, and they both sell like crazy. So which means now you're reintroducing an old trend, you're making it new again with the mini massage gun. I'm actually going to tell you guys a funny story. Me and my buddy John, we were in a different city, we were renting an Airbnb, and the massage gun is this saturated. The owner of the Airbnb had a massage gun in his own house, which obviously goes to show how crazy this thing's been selling. Well, the Airbnb was a horrible experience. We paid like $200 for a penthouse, and when we got there, the owner and his friend was going to live there with us as well. He just blew up air mattresses for us to sleep on in the living room, and he and his friends were coming up with like 6 beers or 7 beers each, getting completely wasted. So me and my friend just ran out of there. It was not a good experience whatsoever, but that just goes to show the massage gun is saturated, but it sells like crazy, right? So let's try this mini version, because it's something new again. It's not the normal massage gun, it's a smaller version. Maybe it could be a little bit more portable, easy to bring with you guys. Interest I would target here is definitely going to be a little bit of fitness, people that doesn't stretch out maybe after workout, but who is that? You guys will have to figure out. And also a little bit of generic interest, because everyone could have a use for this product to a certain degree. This product is actually one that I really did like. Before, when I first saw it, I was almost going to skip it, but the colors in the picture just made me interested in actually checking it out. And this is the thing you guys need to keep in mind when doing your product research. Look at everything. It's like, don't just skip things, because I was almost skipping this product, but then I figured out it was good, and if I passed on it, I would have lost the opportunity. Super good product. So the most common damages on a car is going to be around the wheels, because in your parking houses, you just crash into something with your wheels. Maybe you don't even notice it, but then the wheel just goes all white, for example, because you managed to crash it. Well, since that's the most common damage on a car, I would recommend selling this product. And this product is super cheap too, like including shipping is probably around like $8. It's a really good product, because it is a problem that almost everyone have. So I would not target cars and people engaging with car pages on Facebook, because they probably know too cool to put this thing in their car. I would just target everyone, because every interest are driving cars daily. It's like, yeah, they might be under 18 or under 16, so they can't have a driving license, but I'm just saying every interest, if you're over that age limit, will most likely have a car. So this is the product that could work for everyone. Honestly, guys, I think this product will blow up. I really think it will blow up. So I recommend you guys to be the first one on this. Super cool product. And like I said, be generic when choosing interest. You do not have to choose interest as basic. You will not have to choose interest as super targeted towards cars, specific types of cars. Just target whatever. This product is super cool. Next product is a little bit boring, and it's a little bit generic, and it could even be a little bit saturated. But I found a new layout on this. This is a new design, so I just made sort of like the massage gun an old trend new again, because this just comes in another shape. It looks way more attractive than just a basic brush, but it is a cleaning brush. And yeah, you might say, it's boring, but you get it for $11. It's pretty cheap, and it just looks cool. This is a perfect, layout of it. It's just cool structure. It's designed really well. The color scheme is also pretty attractive. And what I'm saying about the product like this is like, someone might have, for example, someone might have a girl in their family, and they don't even really know this girl, but obviously they're expected to buy a gift for this girl, even though they're not, close to her, but she is in the family, so you gotta buy a gift. So everyone thinks, girls are into makeup, for example. So this might be the perfect gift for someone that doesn't know what to buy the girl. They could just buy this product. It's super cool. It has an on button. I'll probably just target interest like this. And listen, guys, if you're into skincare, use this interest, because I run a mole remover with 72% net margin, and we did a lot of revenue with that product, and this is the interest I used. So the first one was beautiful skin, natural skincare, dermatology, aging. Those are 4 really good interests. The rest you guys will figure out yourself. It is a Netflix type of product too, but I should stop giving away that interest, because I'm going to start losing money on it if I keep giving you guys that interest. If you guys like this video so far, please remember to click the like button and subscribe so we can get to 2,000 subscribers. Let's get into the next one. Next product is kind of generic, but it is something we need all the time. And you guys might be saying like, why do you come with these boring products? Well, these boring products have a higher chance of winning because we're getting closer to Q4. For every day that goes by, people are just even more in the mood to shop. And when we're talking like a month in the future, people will be even more in the mood to shop. So almost everything could be sold now. Still, a winning product is a winning product. You always want to have a good product, but I'm just saying it's easier now, and like more product could work now. My grandma has already bought 6 Christmas gifts. She just told me like 6 gifts already in September. She's obviously, you know, really early on it, but I'm just saying some people are like that, right? But this product is kind of cool. It's something everyone needs. Is it generic? Yeah. Have we seen it before? Yeah. But it's so broad, which means if it was a super niche product and it's saturated, you can't run a saturated niche product really. But if it's something broad that, you know, applies to almost everyone, you could run it. That's the same with the car wheels. You could run that product even though it would be saturated, which I don't think it is saturated yet, but you can run that product even though it's saturated because it's so broad. It applies to everyone. And guys, this product you get for like less than $2. Next product is a mole remover, freckle remover, plasma type of pen. Like I just talked about, guys, the 72% net margin with the mole remover on a high revenue. This is the same product. You guys say the mole remover is super old. Well, this is multifunctional. The mole remover we used to sell a couple of months ago, or it was actually maybe a half a year ago, almost actually a year ago since I started mole remover now. It was in November, I'm pretty sure. Well, the thing with that mole remover is it was not multifunctional. It was just a mole remover. I mean, maybe it could remove freckles. I don't know. But here we got something multifunctional, which just makes this a little bit more new than just a mole remover, because this could remove freckles and it could also remove mold. So now you can remove 2 things with the same device. Super cool product. It was a product that got banned a lot on Facebook, but I really do think it's good. You only get it for $8, so you can make a super good margin just selling it for $35, maybe even $29. But I think like $32.90 would be an ideal price. And maybe trying to raise it up to $39 later on. But this product is super good. I already told you guys the interest, dermatology, beautiful skins, natural skincare. You could do aging. These are really good interest. For some reason, when I were to sell a similar product, a lot of older people, for like 40-year-olds and plus, were actually buying this product. But yeah, the mole remover is saturated, but here we got a new design. It just looks better. It's not the old design. It's just a different design. And you guys could go to another supplier, maybe find an even cooler design, but it's like making a little bit of an old trend new again. Here we also got something multifunctional, guys. So this is the eye massager, but the thing that would make this product boring if it was, for example, just a dark spot remover, or if it was just a wrinkle remover. However, this product does everything. It fades out your lines, it removes dark circles, it says lines lifting, and it even says skin tightening. So this is like multifunctional. Like if what I said, guys, earlier is like if it was just, for example, a facelifter, it would just be one thing, you know, one boring thing. There's so many different opportunities to use this product. There's so many ways you can use it, which means you could target more broad, for example, and it's just really multifunctional. I just really like this product. It's actually my partner John who found it, but this is $8 or something, and you guys could be selling this product for a lot more. So this is a product that could probably blow up in Q4, because Q4 really is a skincare and healthcare time of the year. So guys, if you want me to drop a Q4 strategy, please do drop a comment in the comment section saying, dude, you got to do a Q4 strategy, because I'll do it. Tomorrow's video, if you guys say, it will be a Q4 strategy. So make sure you guys go down, you like this video, follow me on Instagram here once again, and you make sure you subscribe to my channel, because we're super close to 10,000. I wish we were close to 10,000. We're not, but we're super close to 2,000 subscribers. So that's going to be it for today's video, guys. Hope you found it valuable. You already know the buttons to press, and you'll be seeing me in the Q4 video tomorrow, as long as you guys comment you want one.